Hey world! Happy to see you again. Coming up in this vlog, we wanted to find the value of this expression 30 divided by 1 over 15 then times 15. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 15 divided by 15 which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 30 divided by 1 equals 30. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 30 divided by 1 over 15. To do this division, write down the 30 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 15 over 1, which gives 15. And here again we have times 15. 30 times 15 gives us 450. So 450 times 15, which equals 6,750. And so our final answer to this problem is just 6,750. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.